case, narinig mo kanina, nagsalita ang aming speaker. Sabi niya, let us strengthen the institution that uphold our democracy. Pero po, doon sa ginawa po ninyo, did you strengthen the foundation and the independence, the authority of the COA as enshrined in the Constitution?
Mr. Chair, dun po sa compliance po namin, we emphasized on the confidentiality of the information. So kami din po, hindi rin po namin in-expect that it would be released.
Seems this is always public. Ikaw naman. How can you say na hindi mo alam? Sa inyo po kasi confidential. Iba po yung modality nyo because this is audit. Pero once na binigay mo dito, the House of Representatives and all the committees will conduct and undertake meetings publicly. Wala po kaming private meetings. So pag sinabi mong hindi na compromise, opinion mo yun eh. Opinion mo. You are not in a position to tell us na hindi na compromise. Only time will tell.
The go signal was from the chairperson. And so, ang napag-usapan
you are saying that the commission
is,
proper, who gives the go signal? The chairman of the COA?
Sa being the head of the ICFAO po. Siya yung head po ng ICFAO.
No, I am asking the head of the institution itself.
The head of the institution po, the head of COA po is the CP, but the head of ICFAO, the office, is the chairperson po.
So alam po ng COA head ito?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Alam niya, sigurado ka?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
The commissioners, alam nila?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Narinig po ninyo yung bahagi ng mga interpellation ng mga kasama ko kanina. Most of it siguro, meron po kayong natatandaan. Most particularly, the interpellation of Congresswoman Luistro. Noon pong tinatanong niya yung certain La Chica was guilty of usurpation of authority. La Chica ba yun?
Acosta po.
Acosta, sorry. Na sinabi niya, according to her, Acosta is even guilty of usurpation of authority of official functions. Narinig po ninyo yun?
Yes,
kasi po, maring nakuha niya yung gawain na yun, allegedly, na hindi naman pala dapat na sa kanya yun. Noon pong hindi nyo in-advisean ang Committee on Good Government. Technically, part of your mission, part of your mandate on authority was usurped. Sila na po yung nagtatanong eh. Ang ginagamit po nila, yung mga dokumento, yung mga reports, and the papers, nasasalig ang batas, ang sinasabi, kayo po ang dapat mag-examine, kayo po ang dapat mag-audit, nobody else. So in a way, part of your function was usurped, technically. Tama po.
Tama po, Mr. Chair, pero it does not mean
tama
po.
po.
Tama po, pero it does not mean po na we will just take it hook, line, and sinker. We will still audit based on what our standards are. I-conduct pa rin po namin yung audit na based sa amin po.
Palagay natin. Paano kung hindi pareho ang outcome nyo? Paano hindi pareho ang conclusion nyo? What happens?
I think we will stand by yung audit po ng COA.
O ibig mo sabihin, yung outcome ng aking mga colleagues ay mali. Ang sinasabi ko kasi pwedeng hindi kayo magtugma eh. Because your procedure is different. The manner of questioning probably is not even personal. Passive ang sa inyo, active sila.
Yes, Mr. Chair. On that part, we will still use our expertise.
Kaya nga,
on our
you will
audit.
still rely on your expertise because you are the expert. Kayo ang nakakalam ng comprehensive program and plan. Kayo ang expert sa inyong mga fields. And the members of this committee, hindi sila expert. Yan ang ibig mo sabihin.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Kayo ang expert, sila hindi expert. Tama? Kaya pwedeng
Iba naman po ang
Kaya nga yun ang
Congress,
sinasabi ko
Mr.
sa iyo
Chair.
magkakaroon sigurado kayo ng pagkakaiba ng resulta. What happens then? What will happen to the integrity of the Commission on Audit?
Sir, eventually, if ever man na mapunta po ito sa CP and then mapunta sa courts, even the courts can reverse COA po.
Ang iniiwasan po kasi natin ay yung magkaiba po ng outcome. Pareho po yung ginamit. Ang mga papeles, ang mga report, lahat po ng dokumentong nakita naming inisa-isa at binusisi ng mga kasama ko are the same. Pero mag-iiba po kayo ng outcome.
Mr. Chair, I believe ang outcome po from Congress is legislation, while ang sa amin po is yung result of audit po.
Indicated your authority by giving to this committee the very basis of your audit because they were made public.
No, Mr. Chair.
Why do you think that you're answering? Pero pinamigay po ninyo part of your function. That is the point.
I believe that the function of the Congress
Do not
here
say I believe.
is as
We are
oversight.
after facts here. We are not after what you believe and we're not after your opinion. Ang pinag-uusapan natin are factual issues. Okay? Sabi mo kanina, sumagot ka kanina, no other offices, no other agencies ang nakakagawa ng function. It's only exclusive to COA.
The audit function, Mr. Chair. We just simply recognize the authority of the Congress.
In simply recognizing the authority of Congress, you have wittingly or unwittingly surrendered part of your mandate because you expose the confidentiality of those documents which should have been preserved per your own rules and regulations. Am I correct?
No, Mr. Chair, we have not surrendered our mandate.
How do you know that you have not surrendered? How do you know? Are you in a position to even assess the impact of your action?
It is still the COA that is performing the audit. The Congress is doing a different thing. They're not auditing the funds.
What are they doing?
Legislating.
What?
Legislating po. I believe we are all here because
You've
this
been
hearing
sitting
is
here for
in
several
aid-
hours. Did
is in aid for
you know the kind of legislation that are supposed to be coming up? Meron ba silang sinabi sa'yo na meron na kaming legislation in mind? Meron bang lumitaw? Kanina pa tayo rito. Ako, alas 10 ng umaga, nandito ako. Did you have an idea as to what legislation are coming up?
For example,
meron bang legislation na baka sakaling nagle-legislate sila,
later
natuturuan kayo kung paano ang pag-audit?
no po. For example, yung SAGAA sa budget on confidential funds. That will become subject of future legislation.
Why are you the one articulating that? You are not a member of Congress. Yan ang
That
sinasabi
is
ko
why-
kanina pa eh.
That is why
Kanina
nga
ko
po,
pa sinasabi, what you are saying, opinion mo eh.
that is
I
why
am
po
trying to emphasize to you kung ano yung impact.
That is
Nung-
why
Baka mapagalitan ka ng chair. Ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, seryosong bagay.